How's it going, everybody? Chip Lean here from Freedom Chiropractic and Rehab. Today we're going to talk about 2 foam rolling areas that we typically tackle on our first day. First thing we're going to do is roll through our thoracic spine or our mid-back. I'm going to hold that foam roller at my back, lay back on it, and then I'm going to roll the area in between my shoulder blades. We'll do about 10 passes. I'm going to cross my arms across my chest, lean slightly to the side and do those same 10 passes again. Lean to the other side for those same 10 passes again. After I'm done with that, I'm going to take that foam roller, hold it to my back. I'm going to lay over it, putting one hand down, roll myself back so that my glute is on that foam roller, and I'll do 10 rolls here. After I finish up with 10 rolls here, I'm going to switch and put the other hand down, isolating the other side, and we'll do 10 rolls there. Okay? Those are the 2 techniques we typically teach patients on our first day. Hope you enjoy them, and I hope they help you.